Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are to the devlog for a game I'm making. And I made kind of a tutorial, and it looks like a bagel, and I guess a build button. I guess. So I'm gonna continue this game. Anything I did before was not caught on camera, so I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna move the sprite to where I think it should be. Here, yeah. Now it's at go to x negative 200 or 140. Let's see. Put a show so I can see where it goes. 140. There. Yeah, that is good. Now, when the backdrop switches, so when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, then it will show. Okay, next thing is when the button is clicked, which I need to do a forever and because that will only produce false or true or false. Switching mouse pointer and mouse down. So mouse down, switch mouse on a if. Now that if else, which is like I'm gonna make a new sprite called build menu. Build menu? Actually no. Make a build menu. So we're gonna make from actually we're not even gonna get the build button. We're gonna just thank you. Okay. So we're gonna delete this, start by placing a shoot. We're gonna make a shoot button. Not like wire shoot, like shoot tube. If you don't know what is happening, you should. So I'm gonna make the shoot button, which is gonna be white with a black outline of 10 size. Make it. I'm gonna make the design. Let me see if there's any tube cautions. Let's see. This is so limited. An arrow works. An arrow works. No. Copy the arrow. Copy. Paste. Yeah, the shoot is an arrow, I guess. Actually, no, that would be for a conveyor belt, so I'm not going to use the arrow as our thing. Instead, we're gonna do a do this, gray, this gray, to this one, which is dark. No outline. I'm gonna move it here so it looks like a shoe. Now I'm gonna Gonna move it down. Yeah. 6 minutes in the video, I guess. I'm gonna record for 10 minutes. So, next, so now we got the shoot button. We are gonna resize it to make it smaller because, yeah, that is too big. Even smaller. So I guess there's gonna be multiple modules, I like calling it. There's the shoot, conveyor belt, baker, and no, froster, cutter, and baker. So there's gonna be the oven, the chute, with the chute to, and then you use the cutter, then you use the oven, then you can use the conveyor belt, like you can use the frosting adder, and then you can also use a sprinkle adder to make it worth more. And then you can lead conveyor belts to the serving area. You'll get money in how good the donut is. And there's also a glazer to add sugar coat it. So yeah, enough explaining. Time to code. Okay. Like this, start by placing a shoe, and then yeah. When I receive shoot clicked, shoot clicked, yeah. I'm gonna move the shoot button somewhere else. Ready? So I'm gonna try moving it over here, which is, let's see, because we're gonna round it, so -190 and -140. Perfect location. One flag clicked. Hide. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, we are going to show it. And also start a forever loop. Forever, if clicked, whatever. Never mind. Bye. Is the end of the video. So bye.